Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a design trend that's making a huge comeback: slat wood wall panels. If you're interested in interior design or looking for ways to spruce up your space, stick around because this video is for you. Let's start with a bit of history. Slat wood wall panels have their roots in mid-century design, but their origins can be traced back even further to traditional buildings in India, Japan, and China. After a period of decline, these panels are now back in style, and we're here to tell you why. Today, slat wood wall panels are used in a variety of applications, from residential homes to commercial spaces. They're a popular choice for creating feature walls in living rooms, bedrooms, and dining areas. But that's not all. They can also be used to create privacy screens and dividers. One of the best things about slat wood wall panels is their versatility. They come in a variety of designs from traditional to modern. They can be stained or painted to match any decor, and the width of the slats can be adjusted to create a custom look. Some slat wood wall panels are even designed to be used as acoustic panels, helping to reduce noise in a space. And if you're conscious about the environment, you'll be glad to know that slat wood wall panels are an eco-friendly choice. They're made from sustainably sourced wood and can be recycled at the end of their life. Plus, they allow for natural ventilation, reducing the need for air conditioning and heating, which can help to lower energy costs. So there you have it. From their origins in traditional building techniques to their resurgence in mid-century design and modern applications, slat wood wall panels have proven to be a versatile and sustainable choice for interior and exterior design. With their ability to create warm, inviting spaces and their eco-friendly benefits, it's no wonder that slat wood wall panels continue to be a popular choice for designers and homeowners alike. If you're interested in incorporating slat wood wall panels into your space, check out our collection at Posh Wood. We offer a variety of designs and customization options to suit your needs. Click the link in the description to shop now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design tips and trends. See you in the next video.